Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to look at how to make Spanish translator. So now let's choose a character. It can be any character if you want to. It can be any character, so I'm going to choose sprite 1, which is the cat. You also need to put your accent in Spanish. So first you need to set your voice to any. I'm going to set it to tenor. And you need your language to be Spanish. So now let's test it. So this is how you make a translator using Scratch. So I'm going to share this project. You can also remix this project if you want to. I'm also going to put this project's link in the description. If you want to see more Scratch videos, click on the above link to watch it. If you want to see more Python videos, click the above link to watch it. If you want to see more practical science videos, click the above link to watch it. Or if you like both programming and practical science videos, click the above link to watch the Mio robot or the cyber robot.